So, you can buy a Sonos One for $199. You can buy a DVLA Phantom for 3,000 bucks. You can buy bigger Sonuses for 3, 4, 5, 600 euros, JBLs, Ultimate Ears, Bose for way more, or you can buy this one for 50 bucks. That's without the battery. With the battery it's 70 bucks. It's the IKEA ENEBY 20. You want the 20, not the 30. The 20 is the small one. It has a nice little soft dome tweeter and a nice supple woofer. Other than that, it's just a bass reflex case. You get it in black or in white. The white one comes with a white cover, but I got the LGBT friendly rainbow cover for 3 bucks. This, I think, is the best Bluetooth speaker for hi-fi use. It doesn't go very loud. This is about as loud as it can go, which is a reasonably room-filling volume, but that's really it. And it sounds awesome. It has all the highs, all the mids, all the lows, and it just sounds like a decent two-way speaker. It doesn't overdo the lows, it doesn't overdo the highs. It has a treble and bass setting in this button if you keep it pressed. The new version can also pair stereo pairs. This one turns itself off after 20 minutes. The new one, you can turn that off as well. It is the nicest Bluetooth speaker out there. Battery lasts for over 10 hours, by the way, if you don't play too loud. That's also awesome. There's nothing bad to report. If you want a Bluetooth speaker for home use, because this is obviously not something you put in your bag easily. It's about 20 by 20. I think that's why it's called the ENEBY 20. If you want something for home use, this is an awesome Bluetooth speaker. Don't hang it on the wall. I know there's a wall mount for it, but bass port, you don't want that because your bass will be a mess. I can actually demonstrate if you want to. So you can hear it gets all hollow and you lose half of it. But I'm not sure if you could see that, by the way, but I just pushed it up against the wall. But yeah, great Bluetooth speaker, highly recommended. I should probably do a proper review on one of these someday, but this is one of the favorite things I ever bought in my life. And if this one ever perishes, I'll get another ENEBY 20 because fuck yeah.